Namaste. My name is Rachana. By qualification, I'm a chartered accountant, and I have a mission to increase the financial literacy in India and to help small businessmen to understand the finer nuances of finance in the most simplified manner. Today, I'll be sharing how contactless digital payments can help small businesses like yours. With over 45 crore smartphone users in India, mobile is the new wallet. Even more importantly, with the help of digital payments, you can now serve your customers right from the convenience of their home without the physical presence and even get newer customers. Let's talk about how digital payment tools help small businesses like yours. By accepting digital payments, you get the money directly in your bank account or mobile wallet, saving you the time spent on trips to the bank to deposit money every day. Accepting digital payments can help you build a transaction history that can improve your financial profile and make it easier to access loans and avail many schemes. Also, with the help of many digital payment tools, you can keep a track of your receivables or payables more accurately and thus getting a control on your cash flows. Most importantly, digital payments are safer than cash in many aspects. Product is always safe to use for financial transactions. So how can you get started? Which are some of the most popular methods for accepting digital payments? There may be a lot of questions. So let's go one by one. Online payments using net banking and wallets. You can use any bank app or mobile wallet app to make transfers or payments. Most banks offer services like net banking to enable transactions. There are also many wallet providers where users can load a fixed amount of money and use them for purchases, such as Paytm, MobiKwik, Amazon Pay, and others. Cards. Well, traditionally cards have been a popular way for paying digitally. While traditional cards were not contactless, the new contactless cards using the NFC technology make it easy to make a payment just with a tap for most of the daily transactions. NFC card transactions are as safe and convenient as any other card transaction. And finally, Bhim UPI. This is a revolutionary digital payment solution developed by National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI. This payment system allows money transfer between any two bank accounts using a smartphone. You do not need a complicated system to make this payment. It's as easy as entering a phone number or scanning a QR code. In just a few years, it has outpaced all other forms of digital payments in India, including debit cards and net banking. Many companies offer an app that's built for merchants, such as Google Pay for Business, Paytm Business, PhonePe, and many more. With crores of users using the UPI, they use any of the 80+ Bhim UPI apps to make payments. All you need to do is search for it online, go through the simple onboarding process, and you are ready to start receiving payments from your customers using QR codes or your phone numbers. The information required for onboarding is usually the same across all the apps as mandated by NPCI. Simple steps can make your digital payments experience even more secure. To make sure that you are keeping your account safe, no matter which UPI or other banking app you're using, you should always ensure that you keep your phone secured with a password or with a PIN. You should never give your personal details to anyone over a call or visit. And finally, when a customer pays you, make sure you check the transaction on the app or through an SMS confirmation. With that, you are all set to start your contactless digital payments. For now, I'll be taking your leave. Keep learning. Namaste.